Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Kia Connect EV timers and charging, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Kia Connect app is installed on your smartphone. Open the Kia Connect app. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the EV or electric vehicle tab. Select the option labeled charging. In the charging menu, find the timers section. Tap on Add Timer to set up a new charging schedule. Choose the desired start time for your charging session. Next, select the days of the week for your charging schedule. You can also set an end time if necessary. Once you've configured your timer, review the settings. After confirming everything is correct, tap Save. Your charging timer will now be active. To modify an existing timer, return to the Timers section. Select the timer you wish to change and update the settings as necessary. Remember to save any changes after editing. Your Kia Connect app will now manage your EV charging according to the timers you set. To view charging status or adjust subsequent timers, revisit the charging section at any time. That completes the tutorial on downloading Kia Connect EV timers and charging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.